Good morning, traders. Hope you had a great day trading today. Here's a recap. Took a small, nice size loss on Palo Alto. Wouldn't say small, but a nice loss on Palo Alto. Stock broke back through the open and fell back on me and ended up getting stopped out. My charts was skipping a lot today. I guess I got to call AT&T, see what's up with this internet. Well, other than that, it was a great day. Great setup on YY, great setup on ES, as well as XNET. With that said, let's jump into it. Let's look at these trades. We back at it. Looks like DTLR may be the first trade. DTLR, or DLTR, I'm sorry. DLTR, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. My kids love Dollar Tree. All right, so I'll wait for this first 1 minute bar to close. See if the stock pulls back at all. Has ran up quite a bit. And then look for a trade to get into. Same thing with XNET. Got a nice pullback pre-market. Stock is now pushing higher. Palo Alto, a break above this first 5 minute candle. That'll be the entry on that. And if CLSN, it needs to pull back quite a bit before I take a trade on that. So I'll look for red to green, 2 or 3 red candles, then set up for a green candle to entry on. RIOT may get in above the break above this first 5 minute high. So first trade looks like it'll be XNET. Not gonna press the issue today. Got a holiday week, got Black Friday coming up, Cyber Monday coming up. So we look like we're experiencing this Santa Claus rally is starting. So I'm gonna grab some of this XNET short. Got a break through the open. So I'm gonna short some of that XNET. See if we can get some continuation on this downward move pre-market. So I'm short at 1867. Put my stop right here at the open. And I'm gonna get some of this Palo Alto as well. Got a break above the overnight high. There's my stop. And I'm long at 1867. So I got filled on ES as I'm making a new high. So I'm long Palo Alto right here, 155.68. So the stock broke above this pre-market high. So I took the long position. And I'm gonna grab 4 shares of this ESmini future. We're gonna see if this thing can gap and go a little bit. So we got a gap overnight, and XNET's breaking lower. That's what we needed to see. I'm short of 1867. Had a small trade on YY. Got out of it. So I'm gonna let this XNET ride out. Right is breaking higher, which is great. Some long ESmini futures at 25.93, and I'm about to be stopped out of this XNET. So I'm stopped out of XNET for a 260 on it. So that was a decent trade, short trade. Still holding ESmini futures. I'm in at 25.93 for a gap and go setup, and I am long Palo Alto at 155.68. So they're holding up, and I'm long Riot. Got in some Riot at 11.63 as well. You can see XNET is taking off, so glad I got out of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell half of this RIOT. Right, so I let 500 shares go at 12.28 on RIOT. Still holding 500 shares. Still holding 3 contracts of the ESmini futures and 500 shares of Palo Alto. So ESmini futures are taking off. Got us a gap and go. They're up 12 points. Palo Alto's pulling back a little bit. Right, RIOT's pushing higher. Had a slight pullback on the 1 minute candles. See if it can break up to this 13. I'll close it out for a full point. If not, my stop is going to be at this low of 12.01. Flatten out of this PANW. Still holding ESminis. Long at 25.93. So I'm up 2 points on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and flatten out of RIOT. Got a topping tail. The stock looks like it may roll over. So I ended up taking a $740 loss on PANW. Stock pushed higher, really couldn't break any this resistance around this 156 level. Then it just boom, liquidated, and that was all she wrote. So put a market order out there to get out, and didn't get filled to around 150, I think 154.11 or 154.35, somewhere around there. So took a nice size loss on it. Out of Riot or RIOT. Trade was a nice setup. You know, stock pushed higher, got in, took some profits off the table. Stock pulled back, hit my stop. Ended up getting stopped out, so made 500 bucks on it. So it was a nice trade. Still holding this ESmini future setup. Took a long position at 25.93. Stock is now making new highs, or you say the future is now making new highs. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell. Two contracts up here at 96. Alright, so the YY trade I took was on another screen. It was a break back through this open of 117.99. And I sold at 120, and it was just a small trade. Wasn't 100% sure if the setup was going to work, so I didn't go all out with 1,000 shares or nothing like that. Just knowing that, hey, if price pushes lower and it can't hold, buyers step back in the market, push the stock back through the open, then at the very end of the day, that's your buy signal. You know, get it when it goes back through the open and ride it higher. So that was a trade on YY. And last trade I'm in is this ES trade. Sold 2 shares up around 25.96. Got in at 25.93. Wait for this 5-minute candle to close and see what happens with the next candle. If the stock continues to drop lower, I'll definitely go ahead and get out. If not, I'll ride it higher. So that's the plan for ES. Alright, so we got our flag set up for ES. Got our flagpole right here. Then a slight pullback. Found an area of support. These 2 downward pushes. Stock couldn't hold, couldn't press lower. Demand picked up. Now the next thing we need to see is stock break out of this flag area with increase in volume. So YY is breaking out. I'm not in it, but it is breaking out higher. So if you got in it, stick with it. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this ES trade. Looks like it's starting to just go sideways for a little bit. Alright, so I'm out of the ESmini future trade. What? Made 350 on that one. So that was a good trade. So bad trade for the day was the Palo Alto. I thought it was gonna break. Well, it did break above the overnight high. Hit some resistance around 156, fell back. Ended up taking a big size loss on it, $750 on 500 shares. So that was a bad trade for the day. Other than that, everything else was good. Nice trade on ES. Nice trade on RIOT. Got a break back through the open on this YY trade. You know, break back through the open lets you know, hey, sellers can't push this stock lower. They can't push it lower. What's happening? Demand is increasing. As demand increases, supply or shares decrease, causing what? Causing the price to go up. So that was a nice trade on YY, and a nice trade on nice short trade on XNT. So that's it for me today. I'll be back at it tomorrow, and then I'll take Friday off and come back on Monday or Tuesday next week. Y'all have a great day trading. Don't overdo it. It's a holiday week, so you might not get some of the great setups you want, but just be patient. Wait for the right entry, make the right trade, get out, and stay profitable. I am the Bearded Trader. That's it for me today. Have a great day.